to a new video, guys. So short announcement at the beginning of these sets of videos. So what we are doing is a charity fundraiser sort of event. By watching these videos, you are indirectly supporting Macmillan Cancer Support. All my income from December will be going and donating to Macmillan Cancer Support in January. So I'd much appreciate it if you hit that big red subscribe button at the bottom, turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. It should be twice a week, Wednesday and Friday, and make sure you share the video to make more people watch it, to try and raise as much as we can possibly raise this month. It'd be amazing to give lots and lots of money over to charity. Right, so hope you enjoy the video. Make sure you stay tuned for lots of these videos over the course of December.
Hello, welcome to a new video, guys. So I'm going to show you how to get the TikTok widget. It's very simple. Hold down on your home screen and then you click the add button in the top left corner and the TikTok widget will appear. And for this you need to have the TikTok app installed, and then you can pick which size you want. So I'll pick the medium size here, and then as you click on these on the TikTok widget, on like the different bits, it will take you to different sections of TikTok. I'm not going to demonstrate that in this video, but it's very simple, guys. So if I remove this and show you again, I'm going to hold down on the screen, anywhere on the screen, to bring up the wiggle mode, press the plus, and then if I go for the small icon, and I can click it there, and if you click on this trending tile here, it will take you to the trending bit in TikTok. And just to prove that it does a smart stack, I'm going to put the Spotify widget on top of it, and you can flick between the two. Very simple, guys. Thanks for watching.